Hello, all you knife fanatics roaming the tundra, scouring the flea markets, looking for the next vintage knife. I have a Wayback Wednesday for you. This is an open tag. It was started by a warthog. Many prayers for him. I hope he is doing well right now. This is a Imperial made in Ireland. Late 70s, early 80s. There really is no date stamp. So that's what we're guessing. This was loaned to me by my good friend Mike, who had loaned me the 501 Esquire. This was his late mother's knife. Very cool piece. I put some oil in it. It's actually in really good shape. Probably just put a strop on it. It's pretty sharp. This is the Mystery Trick Lock Knife. As you can see, there is no nail nick. What a great child-proof knife. Can't open it. You just can't. There's no way. No way you can open it. You gotta know the trick. Do you want to know the trick? Okay, here we go. Point the blade tip up. Press in. Boom. Comes out. No half stop. When I first saw a picture of this knife, I thought this was a reverse bottle opener. Way too small. This is part of the locking mechanism. Very cool. Very cool. Vintage knife. Late 70s, early 80s. I've heard of people buying these in the early 80s. Let's get in on that tang stamp. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Let's get some focus. Focus, crappy phone. Oh, so close. Come on. Oh, there we go. Imperial, Ireland. With a mini reverse bottle opener. Very cool knife. Again, this is my good friend's. I'm just going to give it a little tune up. Give it back to him. Have another knife I want to do way back Wednesday, but I'll save that for next Wednesday. It's got these really nice covers. It's very lightweight, very compact. So to open, it was tip up. To close, tip down. Press it in. Boom. It's locked. Locking trick knife. Blade centering is off to the show side. I'm not sure how much these were when they first came out. Back springs look really good, but looking close under a magnifying glass, they weren't really polished up. I mean, I think these were pretty cheap, just little budget knives back in the day. Very nice white, cracked crystal, ice crystal, whatever you want to call it. There we go, you can see that. Beautiful little piece. And the kids can't open it.